setting dekat many labs. So nanti dekat biochem pun you belajar PCR, you akan guna PCR, ya. Mungkin you belajar PCR. Dekat culture pun ada PCR, banyak-banyak PCR akan digunakan. So with diagnostic immunology, kita tak akan belajar PCR nak macam dalam-dalam sangat tu, ya. PCR tu sebenarnya you boleh, masa SPM dah ada ke kata belajar PCR? Ada pernah dengar? Ada tak? PCR bila you jumpa? Bila you tahu PCR ni? Masa COVID ni ke? PCR test ke masa bila? Tak dengar. Akmal jawab apa? Akmal, turn on you punya mikrofon. Jawablah.
First time dengar waktu COVID.
Kan? Itulah. Semua orang kata PCR. Mak-mak kita pun dah tahu. Your parents pun tahu what is PCR mungkin. Kan? Alright? So PCR is a technique. As you know, we have DNA. Our DNA, is what do you call this? Helical DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Yeah, that is our gene. That is the map of everything's going on. The sequence is ATGC, blah blah blah, ATGC. They only need 3 pairs. So that amino acid sequence will at the end produce protein. So the protein will make a big cells, and then the cell, a lot of cell become tissue, a lot of tissue become organ. So it can become your heart muscle, it become your liver, it can become your eyes, it can become your skin color, it become eyes color, it become your hair color, it makes you tall, it makes you short, it makes you everything about the genetic. Yeah, so it's all in that gene, and we call it the form of the chromosome. It has to be helicals. Maksud kata dia dah pusing, lepas tu dia pusing lagi, dia boleh dapat dalam satu tempat yang sangat compact and kecil. Dan kita ada 48 kromosom. So kalau ada seorang kurang kromosom, ada masalah tu. Kromosom kita ada lagi yang last, ada X dengan Y. Kromosom XY untuk gender. Itu tak boleh buang. You nak jadi XX, lepas tu you buang. Okay, ataupun you kata nak jadi Y. Y kan macam ni kan? So you kena potong bawah tu, jadikan X juga. It will never happen. It cannot. You cannot remove your XY chromosome that determine your male or female. You can do anything after. You can do this, you can do makeup, you can change. But ask them to change the chromosome. You change your chromosome, you will not exist anymore. You understand? There's no way that you can change your chromosome. The gene, the DNA there. So if you have XX, you will be girl, you are female. If you have XY, you are male, no matter what. But some people, they have the XX, sangat-sangat, X kan untuk perempuan, so dia akan sangat feminine. Tapi siapa yang ada XY, dia tak boleh dapat XYY, I don't think so. But sometimes, due to the gender XY, XX, the mix-up is only when the hormone play a role as well. Some XX, the X is not functioning, just like neutrophil we are talking about. Some, the Y is really dominant. Some, the X really dominant. So regardless of you have XY, you know the gender of XX is girl and XY is boy, but sometimes it's just a play out of the chromosome and the function, whether they are releasing a lot of testosterone, you become more male. Okay, estrogen, you are going to be more girly, female. Okay, that's that. But the basis of XY and XX will not and cannot be erased. It cannot be deleted. If you are producing more testosterone or you are producing more estrogen, it can be treated. Okay, so you're going back to XX or XY. It can be corrected. Yeah, tapi XX and XY cannot be interchangeable. Okay, so now I'm talking about the DNA, and then we are talking about the chromosome just now. So we start with chromosome and then the DNA, and the DNA and then the chromosome. Okay, and now once we have that, we have amino acid. When we have amino acid, we can produce protein. So whatever protein you want, you can do based on the copy of the DNA that you have in your chromosome. All right. Back to your PCR. Let's have a look at your PCR. Sekejap. Berapa orang lagi? Ada lagi kat sini? 52. Right. So I go here. I share. Right. So this is it. Technique, yeah, technique. It's not a test. Tapi sebab test ni dia something. The concept is simple. Something so little we cannot use it. 1 or 2 unit of the DNA tak boleh diagnose sakit apa dia ni. Oh, hebat kita tahu. Ni DNA dia ni sakit ni, COVID. Ni DNA dia ni 2 biji ni boleh tahu dah ni. Sengit-sengit sikit dia akan sakit HIV or ataupun dia ni ada TB. No, it doesn't work. So this technique